Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Deepseek app. You will click on apps, you will click on settings here. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about the application of Deepseek and you will click. In this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we go to storage. And after that you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.